Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today's recipe is delicious French treat, that is meatballs served with baked potato, bechamel sauce and topped with mozzarella cheese. Here I have taken chicken meatballs. You can take any other variety of your own choice. Drizzle some oil and let this air fry for 10 minutes in 385 Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, we will cut the potatoes. Here I am taking 2 potatoes. You can cut it with the skin or with it, but here I have peeled it. That's how I like to do it. And cut it into small pieces, round shape. Next, for the sauce, we're going to make it bechamel sauce here. So you can also substitute it with Alfredo sauce. But the point of adding bechamel is to provide rich, smooth texture and stretch the impact of the cheese. So we are avoiding adding heavy cream or excess cheese here. So this is going to be low calorie recipe and it's going to be very thick kind of sauce that we're going to prepare here. So the quantity should be equal for butter and flour. So if we are taking 2 tablespoons of butter, I have taken 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour here. So once the butter is melted, we add the all-purpose flour and keep mixing it till the raw smell of the all-purpose flour goes away. And then you add the milk and keep stirring it until a thick sauce is formed. So here you can see I'm adding half teaspoon of black pepper powder, salt per taste. Here you can add a pinch of nutmeg, which is optional, it's for a good flavor. And here you can see the sauce is thickened. It's a consistency of a very thick sauce. And give it a good mix. So while we are preparing the sauce here, we have set the air fryer at 385 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes and the meatballs are cooking. So we will flip it once again. Here I am going to flip the meatballs and place potatoes in them. So you can see the process of placing potatoes. I will mention all the ingredients used here in the description below, which you can later refer to it. Also, I will mention the timings and the air fryer setting that I have used here. Place the meatballs here and we have placed the potatoes in each space between meatballs like this. And now we will bake it for another 7 minutes. 385 Fahrenheit for 7 minutes so that the potatoes are baked properly and the meatballs. So once it's baked, potatoes are baked properly, we will add the bechamel sauce here. You can see how thick it is. The potatoes are baked, so I put it for 7 to 8 minutes, 385 Fahrenheit. Now we will put the bechamel sauce like this and add cheese to it. So I'm adding mozzarella cheese here, shredded cheese. And we will air fry this again at 385 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes or until the cheese is melt. Already the meatballs are cooked and the potatoes are baked, so we just want the cheese to melt on this mix. It's ready to be served hot. as it is air fried and the bechamel sauce tends to be a little thicker in consistency, so we have to enjoy this as soon as it's made from the air fryer. Enjoy it hot, or once it's cooled down it will be more thicker. I hope you enjoyed this video recipe. See you again with new recipe. Till then, bye bye, take care.